and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a cash envelope stuffing video for you guys. I'm super excited about this video. This is my second cash envelope video. The first video I did was a sinking funds video, which you guys seem to have enjoyed, so I'm extremely happy about that. So this one is a cash envelope video, and this is from, I'm going to be stuffing some money for 2 weeks, so from January 15th through January 31st. That is how long this money should last me, 2 weeks. I do have my specific categories in which I'm going to share with you guys, but if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and take out the time to click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. Also, you guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down in the comment section. I would really like to hear from you guys. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so first off, let's talk about my nails, guys. So ignore my nails. This is my first time trying matte polish, and when I was washing dishes, I noticed that my polish started to come off. So I don't know if I'm going to get matte black again, which I really love matte black. As you guys can see with this hand right here, all of these nails still look pretty good, but it's only when I wash dishes do my polish start to come off, and I really don't like the way this look. I'm probably just going to go back to the nail shop and try to get it fixed. But anyway, ignore that, you guys. So today I am going to be stuffing $299. So let me go ahead and show you guys what my my categories are. Also, this right here, if you guys are wondering where I got this from, I did get this from Amazon. This will be linked in the description box below in case you guys are interested. And so right here, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but this says believe in the very best. And then my first category, I have groceries. My next category, I have eating out. And these envelopes right here, I participated into Budget Treasures giveaway, you guys, and I was one of the first winners called. So this is where I got these envelopes right here from. So my first one is groceries. My second one is eating out. My third one is self-care. My fourth one is haircuts, and this is for my husband's hair. My fifth one is spending money. My sixth one is kids. My seventh one is miscellaneous. And then I also have an envelope for my receipts. And then also I have a coins envelope. So I have already used some money from two categories. I used some money from my groceries category, and then I also used some money from my spending category. So I'm going to explain how much I am going to be stuffing those with today. Okay, guys, and then also up under my envelopes, I have this little budget sheet right here. And then what it says is date. So I put the date, what store I shopped at, how much I spent, and then what the ending balance is. Now right here it says beginning balance, it says category, and then it says beginning balance. I don't put a beginning balance here. What I do is I use my little cute little happy planner right here, you guys. This is so cute. Just look at it. OMG, that is so cute. I had to get this off of Amazon, you guys. So if you guys are interested in this, they have a ton of these and they are so cute. They have like different varieties and they are so cute, you guys. So if you're interested in these, I will have these linked in the description box below. So what I use this for is this is for the week of January 15th through January 31st. So as you guys can see, I have my grocery budget. So my grocery budget for these 2 weeks is $100. My eating out budget is $40. My self-care budget is $60. Haircut budget for my husband is $20. And then spending money is $50. So let's go ahead and start with the groceries. So as I said, I had already used some money from groceries. My budget is $100. So I went to Walmart and I did spend $53.86. So what I'm going to be stuffing groceries with today is $46.14. Now I'm only going to be stuffing it with the $46, and with the coins I just went ahead and put the coins in my coin pouch right here. So groceries is going to get $46. So let's go ahead and get that. We have 20, 40, 5, and 6. So we have 20, 40, 5, and 6. So $46 is going into groceries. And then the next category I have is eating out. So you guys, this is one of the categories that my husband and I struggle with the absolute most. So I recently, for the month of December 2020, I literally went through my bank statements and I looked to see how much we spent eating out, you guys. I was just like so disgusted at the amount that we spent on eating out. And the reason why is because we have so much food in the freezer, but we choose to eat out. Okay, so eating out, the budget for eating out for us is going to be $40. So we have 20, 40, and then the next category we have self-care. Now this is something that I am going to be practicing a lot during the year of 2020, because you guys, sometimes I have so much stuff to do to where I just completely forget about myself. I try to make sure everyone is straight and I forget myself, and I told myself that I'm not going to do that 2020. So this week self-care is going to get $60, and this $60 is pretty much if I decide to get my nails done again, which more than likely I'm probably not. So if I choose to like do anything else self-care related, I'll just have a budget of $60 for that. So $60, we have 20, 40, and 60. And then next up we have haircuts. So haircuts, this is for my husband. He usually gets his haircut every 2 weeks. So we're going to budget $20 for this one. Also, you guys, so what I did was I ordered these clear envelopes from Amazon. So if you are looking for these envelopes, I will have them linked in the description box below. Also, these right here, I randomly thought of this idea. I was like, how can I decorate my envelopes? So I thought of this. So these right here are called thickers. And this is what I used, you guys. So I used these. I actually got these from Walmart, but they do have them on Amazon. I do have a link for these in the description box below. So no problem with them sticking on here. I had absolutely no issues. And it actually makes the envelope look cute. I mean, it's simple, but it's still cute. And then I also got these stickers from Amazon. I used these ones right here. So I just put random, colors. So for the haircut got orange. I'll also link these in the description box below because I got these off of Amazon as well. So haircuts is going to be getting $20. That looks really good, you guys. That looks so cute. Okay, and then next envelope we have spending money. So spending money this week, I've already used some money out of this envelope, but my goal for these 2 weeks was $50. I did use, let's see, I spent $36.76 at Walmart. So today I'm going to be stuffing this envelope with $13.24. And again, I'm only going to stuff it with $13 because I do have my coins back here. So $13, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, and then my next envelope is kids. So kids this week is going to actually be getting $100, and the reason why is because my kids, they are in need of some new shoes, so we need to go on a shopping trip for some shoes with them. So I'm just going to go ahead and stuff it with $100, so we should be able to get them a pair of shoes before this 2 weeks end. So 20, 40, 60, 80, and 100 for the kids. Okay, and then the next one is miscellaneous, and this is for whatever expense comes up or whatever. This is what miscellaneous for. So miscellaneous is going to get $20. So we have 20. So that was the last envelope, and then right here, you guys, I just have my receipts so that I can make sure that I keep track of what I'm spending, and that's why I have this pouch. And then also I have my receipts in here so that I can remember to scan my receipts to Fetch Rewards. I don't know if any of you use Fetch Rewards or not, but Fetch Rewards is a cashback app. To whenever you scan your receipts at select retailers, you will get back points. So even if you don't have any qualifying offers, you will get back a minimum of 25 points. Those 25 points add up quickly, you guys. So this is what so I'm going to be making sure that I scan my receipts to Fetch Rewards before I get rid of them. So if you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with the code on the screen for you guys. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points. And then lastly, I have my coins in here. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. Again, everything that you've seen in this video, I will have linked in the description box below. Please give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, because I will most definitely respond. That is going to be it, you guys, and I will see you lovelies in my next video. Bye.